Good morning, everyone. So my name is Harshitha. I'm from first year CSPS branch. Today my app is about cooking app. So one innovation idea for cooking app is to add the personalized recommendation feature. This feature could use a smart technology to understand your food preference, cooking habits, dietary needs, and available ingredients. So here it is how work creating your profile. When you start using this app, you could set up a profile. You could tell the app what your dietary performance like vegetarian, vegan, or gluten free, how you like to cook, quick and easy, and what ingredients you refer. Choosing recipes, the app could offer a wide variety of recipes for you to browse. You could select a few recipes that catch your interest to help the app understand your taste preference. Next one is Smart Analyze. The app smart technology could analyze the recipe you choose. It could look for patterns in the ingredients, cooking methods, and flavors. It could also consider your dietary performance and any restriction you mentioned. Fourth one is personalized recommendation. Based on the analysis, the app could suggest the recipes that fit your preference. Could take into account what you like, and you have the ingredients you have available. How could you usually cook? Learning and improvement. As you use the app and different recipes, the smart technology could learn from choosers and feedback. It could get a better recommendation recipes that you could enjoy over time. Next one is update to date suggestion. The recommendation feature could always stay updated. It could consider things like seasonal ingredients and popular recipes to give you fresh and relevant suggestion. Seventh one is extra features. The personalized recommendation feature could also include other useful things like helping you plan meals, creating grocery list, keeping track of your cooking progress. Benefits of this app is one is better experience. You could get personalized recipe suggestions that match your preference, saving you time and effort searching for recipes. Second one is more engagement. Personal recommendation could encourage you to try a new recipes and keep using the app. Next one is dietary support. If you have a specific dietary needs, the app could suggest recipes that fit your requirements, helping you choose your diet. Less food waste. By considering the ingredients you have, the feature could help you use that what you already have at home, reducing the food waste. Overall, this personalized recommendation feature could make the cooking app easier to use and more enjoyable. It could help you discover and create a delicious meal that match your taste and fit your unique needs and circumstance. Thank you.